All right, guys, it's time for the Homicidal Homemakers annual egg-stravaganza. Our Easter Bunny is hiding eggs for us right now, so get those baskets ready.
Casey's doing this stupid thing. There goes my dignity again. What the hell? Holy shit! Ah!
Every spring, the store shelves are filled with some of my favorite treats: marshmallow chicks, egg-shaped chocolate malt balls, and my personal favorite, peanut butter-filled chocolate eggs. But making peanut butter-filled eggs at home is super easy, and as usual, I wanted to put a horror twist on them. The first scene that came to mind was the Easter egg hunt from Critters 2. So this year, fill those Easter baskets up with these jumbo peanut butter-filled eggs inspired by the Critters films. To get a similar texture to the eggs used in the films, I used a textured egg mold that I purchased from Cybertrade, but any egg-shaped candy mold will work just fine. Head over to thehomicidalhomemaker.com to get this and other ghoulishly good horror-themed recipes. To get started, you'll need 1 cup of creamy peanut butter, 1/4 a cup of melted salted butter, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and 1 to 2 cups of powdered sugar. For decorating, you'll need 1 egg-shaped candy mold, a small brush, white and dark chocolate, and red and green candy melts. In the bowl of a stand mixer, mix together the peanut butter, melted butter, brown sugar, and vanilla extract until completely smooth. Then gradually add in the powdered sugar. Add in only enough until you reach the consistency of a soft cookie dough. If the mixture seems too dry, you can add in 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk to smooth it out. Next, we'll prepare our chocolate eggshells. Melt your dark chocolate and red candy melts. Using a small brush, add spots of the dark chocolate to the inside of the mold, leaving the center of the spot uncovered. Once hardened, fill in the center of the spots with the red candy melts. In a separate bowl, melt the white chocolate, adding in a few green candy melts to get a light green color. Coat the insides of the molds with the green-white chocolate mixture, and then allow to harden in the icebox for about 5 minutes. Once the chocolate shells have hardened, carefully fill the insides with the peanut butter filling, leaving about 1/8 of an inch from the top. Then top with the rest of your green-white chocolate mixture. Allow it to chill in the icebox until firm, about 5 to 10 minutes. Then unmold and enjoy. If you enjoyed this episode, please remember to hit that subscribe button. And if you'd like to help us create more episodes in the future, please consider supporting us at patreon.com/homicidalhomemaker. And if you make one of my recipes, remember to tag me on social media for a chance to be featured on the end credits of an upcoming episode.
If you enjoyed that recipe, don't worry, there's a skeleton more where that came from. Be sure to hit the subscribe button.